In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit expenses on Expensify. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently submit your expenses for approval without missing anything. Make sure you're already logged into your Expensify account before you begin, and that your expenses are created and ready to go. Once you're on the Expensify home screen, start by looking at the menu on the left side of your screen. This is called the left sidebar, and it's where you'll find different sections like your inbox, reports, and expenses. Go ahead and click on the option labeled Reports. This section is where Expensify organizes your expense reports, which are essentially collections of expenses that can be reviewed and approved. After you click on Reports, you'll see a page that lists your existing reports. However, for submitting new or individual expenses, you'll want to move into the Expenses view. At the top of the screen or within the navigation options, look for the tab or button that says Expenses and click on that. This will switch your view from full reports to a list of individual expense entries. In the expenses section, you'll see all the expenses that have been created in your account. These might include things like meals, travel costs, or other reimbursable purchases. Take a moment to review the list and make sure each expense is accurate. Check the date, the amount, the merchant, and any category or tag your company requires. It's a good idea to confirm that you've attached the correct receipt images as well, since missing or blurry receipts can slow down approval. Now select the expense or expenses you want to submit. Depending on your setup, you can usually do this by clicking directly on an expense row or using a checkbox next to each one. Once your desired expenses are selected, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a Submit button there. Click on the Submit button. Expensify will then either create a report for those expenses or attach them to an existing open report, depending on how your account is configured. After you submit, you may see a confirmation message indicating that your expenses have been sent for approval. That's all you need to do to submit expenses on Expensify. Remember to double check your entries before submitting and repeat this process whenever you have new expenses ready to go.